Welcome to this short tutorial about the design aspects of the app building process. When you return to the design phase, you'll notice it's subdivided into three sections: themes, which you see here, images, and layout. Now, assuming you've created your app shell, coming back to this part of the app building process will show the theme that you selected as a temporary placeholder separated out from the rest of the themes, with the assumption being that you're going to change this by updating it with images of your own. Go ahead and click the Next button to go into the image subpart of the design process. Here you'll see that you can change the images for your splash screen, which includes an eye-catching picture with your logo on it, for example. The home screen, which also has your logo on it, but has a more muted background so that buttons can be placed over top of it. The inner screen background, which is plain. A side drawer, which is that floating menu that you see throughout the app. A place for you to insert a logo of your own choosing. And of course an app icon that demonstrates on your mobile device where your app is and what it is looking like. Now all these things can be changed for phones and tablets where needed, both iOS and Android phones and tablets can have screens created for them. Once you have replaced all of these images with those of your own, which are separate tutorials that you can find also here in the knowledge base, just click the Next button and go into the last of the three phases of design, which is layout. Here you'll see opportunities to change the shape and style of the buttons that you have on your home screen, from simple listing buttons to floating icons, circles, ovals, squares, rectangles, and so forth. You can change the colors of the buttons and the text, you can change the size of the buttons and the shape, and you can do many other things. Once you've done what you want to do and it looks good to you, just click Save and Next, and it'll take you back into the content phase of the app building process. Building the designs for the app is probably the most fun part of this, so do have fun with it and be creative.